Welcome to part 5. Today I'm going to teach you how to add images to your documents. I know this has been the major problem of many people using their phone to write books. So if you are part of those that are facing this challenge, this video is going to be the final solution. Let's take a quick rundown on everything we've done from part 1 to part 4. We did the title page, we also added copyright page, the introduction, and some subtitles. We even started chapter 1 and even chapter 2. We did page numbering, we did page setup, and today I want to show you how to add images. So if you remember, we were supposed to add image after the introduction before we started chapter 1. We have 2 spaces where we are supposed to add images. So let's quickly add image to these pages. There are 3 websites that I recommend for where you can get images. These websites have royalty-free images, so you can download and use without Amazon issues or copyright issues. The first website is pixabay.com, pixabay.com. When you download pictures from this website, you are free to use it in your documents. The second website is Pexels, pexels.com. You can get free stock images from this site. And the last one is Unsplash. There are more, but let me just give us these 3 for the purpose of this tutorial. Unsplash, UN then splash, UNSPLASH, unsplash.com. You can get images from any of these sites. So if you check Pixabay and you don't see what you want, you can always check Pexels or Unsplash. So let's first of all go to Pixabay and see if we are going to get relevant images for this book. The title of the book is Flower Gardening for Beginners. So we are looking for a picture that shows flowers in a garden or someone planting flowers in a garden. So let's go to pixabay.com. This is pixabay.com. Just type the name into your browser and launch it. It will bring you to this page if you are using a mobile phone. So you search flower gardening. Flower gardening. As you can see, it's already giving us some very nice flower images, but this is not the type that I would like. I like this one with a woman holding flowers in a bag. I like it, but this is not where I want to use it. I'll use it later. These pictures don't look natural, so let's try another keyword, or let's even try Pexels. This is pexels.com. Let's type flower garden. Oh, this is what we got. Yes, I like this. In fact, I've seen some pictures that I can use. Look at this one showing a person or 2 people planting flower. Look at another one with a hand, with somebody's hand. As you see, these pictures are nice. All these ones that are under sponsored photos, iStock, please don't use them. They are not free to use. Wow, I'm seeing some very nice pictures here. In fact, let me just start downloading. All you need to do is to click on the one you like. Once you click on it like this, you tap on free download. It's asking, do you want to download this picture? Just click on download. We have successfully downloaded this picture. Let's keep scrolling down. Okay, I think I like this one. You just tap on it, click on free download, and your picture will be downloaded to your device. The next thing we want to do is to go and add these images to our document. Remember that it is immediately after our introduction that we have a space. This is the first space in page 7, and this is another full page because we could not start our chapters there. So you take your cursor to where you want the image to start. Okay, you put your cursor where you want the image to start, and you just tap on the plus sign. When you tap on the plus sign, you would click image. You see, it's asking you, is it from your phone or from your camera? If it is something that you're discussing or a book you're writing that you want to show live image of what is happening, you can simply just use your phone camera to snap the image. But in this case, we already downloaded the image, so we just click from photos. As you can see, it has loaded the images we just downloaded for us. All you need to do is to click the one you want to put in that section. Just click on it like this and you click add. As you can see, the image has displayed on the page. Let's click on the check mark to see. You can see that the image is now on the full page. Do you know why it's not covering the entire page? Because there is a margin. There's a place where no text or image must reach or pass. Okay, so there's a margin because these books, when being printed, they are going to trim out some parts in the edges. So if your image reaches those parts, they are going to trim off the images. That's why we have margins, and we've set the margin earlier in part 2 of this video. So this image has been used to fill up the full page before our chapter started. So as you can see, if you are reading this book, even if it's on a device, you will see that it's flowing. This is somebody planting flower. Now we still have one more page up here. It is half page, so we'll go back to pixels to get another image. The image we got earlier said it is too large. It's like 25 MB and it has to be lesser than 25 MB. So let's go back there and search for another image that we can use to fill up this space. Okay, let's look for another picture. This picture is nice. It shows a lady planting flowers. So let's quickly tap on free download. After downloading, we go back to our document and paste it where we want it to appear on our document. After putting your cursor where you want it to appear, you just tap on the plus sign, select image and select from photos. Choose the one you want and click add. As you can see, this image fits in perfectly to that space. Let's see from introduction now. You just keep scrolling. You will see that this image looks just perfect for where it is. You continue, you will see the blank space. We also added an image there. Okay, getting started. Let's continue and see if there's a place we can add image again. Let me show you another way to add images to make your book extra beautiful. So let's say we want to add an image after this season long. That's at the end of chapter 2. We just take this cursor down. We'll go and look for another image and remove the background of that image so it will look like the image has a white background and it will fit in perfectly on the book. So let's say this is the image you want to use. It looks very nice. You download it. After downloading it, you will go to a website called remove.bg. remove.bg. Let's quickly check that out. Once you tap remove.bg, you will see an icon that says upload image. Once you tap upload image, it will also ask you, do you want to choose from library or from photos, or you want to choose from file? In this case, we already have it saved, so we'll choose from library. Then we click on the image we want to remove its background. This is the image. Once you tap on it, you click choose. As you can see, it's uploading the image and it will remove the background for us. Easy, it has removed the background of this image for us. All you need to do is to download. After downloading, you can see that the image does not have a background. So we'll take the image to our documents and it will look very beautiful. This is our document. I want to add the image here. All we need to do is to tap on the plus sign, select image from photos, and click on the image that you want to add, the one we just removed the background, and you tap add. As you can see, this image fits in perfectly. It does not have a background, so it looks like it is part of the book. Okay, you see the way it appears, looking very nice in the background. So this is how to add images to your book. If the image is too big, you can edit it by resizing it. You just tap on the image, you will see all these blue dots around the image. Don't use the ones in the middle, use the ones at the edge to reduce it so it will still retain its form. You just tap on it and reduce it to your preferred size. As you can see, the image is reducing. You see, you can also increase it as you like. You see, now that it is like this, you can also tap on this center icon just the way we used to do for text. You just tap on it and it will be in the middle. Let's check that. You see how lovely it looks at the middle of the page. So you can use this method to add images to your books. Let's add one more image. We go back to Pexels. Okay, let's use Unsplash this time. We are on Unsplash, which is the third website that I gave you earlier. You just tap search image, flower gardening, search. When you search, you see images. You keep scrolling. Wow, this is beautiful. As you can see, I think I like this one. Okay, let's take this one. We just click on download. After downloading, you go back to your documents. So you do the same by tapping the plus sign, image from photos. As you can see, it looks very nice. You can also resize it by tapping on it and clicking center, so the image will be in the middle. Then you can reduce it like this to the size you want. If you want it to be by the side, you just tap left alignment. You see, the image has moved to the side of the page. If you want it to show on the right hand side of the page, you tap right alignment. You see, but this time we want it to appear in the middle, so you tap middle alignment. Just tap it like this, it will be in the center. You can increase or decrease the size as you want by using only the knob by the edges of the image. If you use the one in the center, let's try it and see. You see that it will distort the image. You see, the image will not look nice. Let me undo that. So you use only the knob by the edges. If I tap on the one by the edge now and I increase it, you will see that the image will increase. You see, and it will still retain the form or the shape of the image. Now let's quickly do a rundown of the images we just added. As you can see, this is the first space. We added this image. You keep going down. You see our empty space that we left when we started writing this book. We filled it up with an image. Then you continue. This is another image after removing the background. As you can see, the book is looking nice, and anybody reading this book would enjoy reading it because of the images there. And this would increase your chances of making more sales, because if this person enjoys reading your book, they would share it with other people or even leave a review that will make potential buyers see that somebody has read this book and they are satisfied, so they also would want to buy the book. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. hit the bell notifications so that once I post the concluding part of this videos or this series, you would be notified instantly by YouTube. Thank you once again. I'll see you in part 6.